4th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I am going to tell you about our national flag. The national flag is a horizontal 3 colors. Saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom. Saffron color indicates courage, white color indicates peace, green color indicates prosperity, Ashoka Chakra indicates loss of dharma.
Good morning to all my teachers, parents and dear friends. I am Mahidar. I am in 4th class. Today we are celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. In 1947, we got independence from Britishers. First Prime Minister of India, Chacha Nehru, raised the Indian flag Red Fort in New Delhi. Jai Hind.
My name is Navya. I am studying in 5th class. My school name is GTLC English Medium School. Happy Independence Day. I draw the national tiger. Thank you for watching. Once again, Happy Independence Day.
Hi, my name is A. Aditya. I am studying 6th class. Happy Independence Day to you all. I am telling a speech. India gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence in our nation, we accrued all our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire to our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, the lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle were sacrificed for the independence of India. An Indian soldier, Manjil Pandey, in the British force, first raised his voice against the British. Several great freedom fighters later struggled and spent their lives only at gain freedom. The sacrificed freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Kundu Ram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives and early just to fight for their country, can be forgotten. Gandhiji was a great Indian figure who gave India a great lesson in non-violence. People celebrate Independence Day by hosting the national flag and reciting the national anthem. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Mali. I am studying 7th class in GTLC English Medium School. We are celebrated Independence Day. The national emblem of India is the adoption of the lion, capitals of Shranant. Once again I say Happy Independence Day.
Hi, my name is Satish Kumar. I am studying 7th class in GTLC English Medium School. I would like to tell you a quote about national emblem of India. These words Satyameva Jayati are written by Devanagari script. The words mean truth along trumpets.
Hi friends, my name is Sushant Kumar. I am studying 7th class in GTLC English Medium School. Now I would like to tell you a quote about national emblem of India. The national emblem of India shining power, peace and good will, suggesting kindness and unity.
Hi friends, hello, my name is Ajay. I am studying 7th class in GTLC. Happy Independence Day. The national emblem of India is the adoption of the lion's capital of Shranant.
Hi, my name is Shashank Suryacharan. I am studying 7th class in GTLC English Medium School. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. I want to speak few lines about our national emblem. A national emblem is an emblem or seal that is reserved for use by a nation, state or multinational state as a symbol of that nation. nations. Many more nations have a seal or emblem in addition to a national flag or national coat of arms. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Chakradhar. I am studying 9th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I am telling about our Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrating evokes feeling of nationalism and brotherhood among the citizens of India. Unlike other festivals, Independence Day is celebrating throughout the country in all the states and united territories of India. People of India pay tribute to the fallen war heroes and freedom fighters, hoisting three-color flag and singing the national anthem at the epics of the celebration. I wish you happy Independence Day to all.
Hi, my name is Pranam. I am studying 9th standard in GTLC English Medium School. I am telling about few words for Independence Day. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August of every year. Independence Day in India is a national holiday. It commemorates the national struggle for freedom. President addressed the nation on the eve of Independence Day. It is one of the greatest festivals of democracy. Thank you. Happy Independence to all.
Hi, my name is Manmala. I am studying 9th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I tell few words about Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as a national holiday in Indian community. The nation independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947, the day when the provisions of the 1947 Indian Independence Act. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Red Fort in Delhi. We celebrate Independence Day, pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who gained independence.
Hi, my name is MD Asir Ali. I am studying 9th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I am telling about our national bird. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth, which is feathered. Peacock is blue color bird and its feathers are blue, green and golden. In India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Africa, peacocks are found. Peacocks look beautiful in their colorful feathers. Peacocks look lovely when it dances in the rain. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pavani Shankar. I am studying 9th class in GTLC English Medium School. I am telling about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He is a great freedom fighter. For his contribution, sacrifice and non-violence movements, India got Independence Day on August 15, 1947 because we celebrate August 15 was as Independence Day. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sabi. I am studying in 9th class in GTLC English Medium School. I am telling about national bird. Peacock is a national bird of India. Common name is Indian peoples. Its name is Peacock Christias, adopted in 1963 as national bird of India. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Hi, my name is Ramakrishna. I am studying 10th class GTLC English Medium School. Now I am telling about Father of the Nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 when he led the Champaran and Kaza agitation of Bihar and Gujarat. He also led non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Swaraj and Quit India movement against the British government. He is a great freedom fighter. This is the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all.
Hi, my name is Sagar. I am studying in 10th class in GTLC English Medium School. Now I am telling about Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. A few valuable words. Forgiveness is the attitude and strength. Future depends on what we do in the present. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
My name is Priyanka. I am studying in 10th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I am telling about the Father of Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the best political dissident of India. His strategy of peacefulness made him a movement. He is born in 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Happy Independence Day to all.
My name is Nagdurga Lakshmi. I am studying 10th class in GTLC English Medium School. I am telling about our national bird, peacock. The Indian peacock is a parocastic and the peacock is a colorful, beautiful. In 1963, peacock was declared in the National Bird of India. Rich reasons and legendary involvement of India tradition. Happy Independence Day.
Hi, my name is Ramyasri. I am studying 10th class. Today I want to tell a few words about Independence Day. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day. Just 75 years ago, we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which can't be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 75 years ago, the British ruled India. They came to India on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives for our country, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Chandrasekhar Azad, etc. Due to the brave warriors of our country, we have been become independent today. And today we celebrate this day to give tribute to our great warriors. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
Hi, my name is Sai. I am studying 10th class in GIC. Now I am telling about National of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter India born. His policy of non-violence made him listed as among the Indian mass. His simple living and high thinking made founder College powerful. Though he went in imprisonment for several times, it could not better him from freedom struggle. Gandhiji lost first wave to Britain India for handing over cash assisted to Pakistan. Happy Independence Day.
I am Prashant Babu. I am studying 10th class in GTLC English Medium School. Now I am telling about our national bird, peacock. The peacock was declared the national bird in India in 1963 because it was entirely a part of Indian custom of more ever no other country had the peacock as its national bird either. The peacock fulfilled all this and hence became national bird. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all.
Hi, my name is Fanendra. I am studying 10th class in GTLC English Medium School. Today I am telling few words about our independence. Independence Day is celebrated with great zeal on 15th August every year. In the year 1947, we got independent from the British colonial rule. This day we celebrated by unfurling the flag, singing national anthems and remembering our freedom fighters, etc. This day was celebrated with great pleasure due to a national holiday of our country. This big grand celebrations wake up the people with patriotism and understands the struggle faced by our freedom fighters to our young generation. Thank you, and I am wishing Happy Independence Day to all.